Is that a new song you're working on?
It's just a little warm-up I do when I start playing the harp.
Will you play a new song?
Well, when I'm done warming up, how about some arpeggios?
Was that a new song?
No, an arpeggio is kind of just quickly going between a whole bunch of notes, usually inside of a chord, and well, okay, you know what? How about I'll just play you a song?
That was beautiful, Night Wolf. What's it called?
I don't have a name for it.
Why not call it the cutest little werewolf?
I could. Why don't we just call it the big, adorable Minotaur who doesn't seem to know about music?
Are you doing well? I haven't heard from you in a few months.
Yeah, just relaxing, actually. There hasn't been much going on, and I haven't really been called to do anything, so
Yes, it has been rather calm recently.
I'm glad you're here, Tutor. I missed you.
I missed you too. Life just does not seem the same without you.
Yeah, agreed.